Today I thought we could do the Scottish Gaelic word for flowers. Now I'm going to give you 3 examples of this, as it may change depending on where in Scotland you're from. They all mean flowers, but we do all tend to use a different word. So where I'm from in Lews, we tend to say Sìthean, Sìthean, Sìthean. And that is for one flower, so if you're going to talk about flowers as a plural, Sìtheanan, Sìtheanan, Sìtheanan. And next up we have Dìthean, Dìthean, Dìthean. And the plural, Dìtheanan, Dìtheanan, Dìtheanan. And lastly, which is what I was taught in school on the East Coast, is Flùr, Flùr, Flùr. And the plural of that is Flùraichean, Flùraichean, Flùraichean.